Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the seventh lesson, subject and predicate. Let's get started. Tick the group of words that makes sense. Our has 8 solar system planets. Is it make sense? No. We live on the planet Earth. Yes. Jupiter largest is planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Next, arrange the following groups of words to form sentences. Remember to begin with a capital letter and put a full stop or a question mark at the end. Okay, we have to reorder these sentences to make a sensible sentence. Okay. I bought yesterday computer new. How to write this? I bought a computer yesterday. Full stop. Okay. Next. She in school studies St. Peter's. She studies in St. Peter's School. Full stop. I funny am book reading a. I am reading a funny book. I am reading a funny book. Full stop. Understood? Next. The fun we on had right. We had fun on the ride. We had fun on the ride. Full stop. Next. His Mr. Tendulkar walks takes for dog. How to do this? Mr. Tendulkar takes his dog for walks. Full stop. Okay. A dog is in the front yard there. There is a dog in front yard. Is where do the no post office you? Do you know where where the post office is. Where the post office is. Next, the nuts are squirrels eating. The squirrels are eating nuts. Did tortoise race win the? Did the tortoise win the race? Did the tortoise win the race? Lives in Uncle My London. My uncle lives in London. Understood? Next comes to the sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What we wrote above the sentence, that is called sentence. The group of words that makes a sense. Okay? My grandmother likes. This is a group of words, right? But it doesn't have any sense. So again, if we want it meaningful, then we have to write furthermore. My grandfather likes to read. Okay? That is called a sentence. Okay? Next comes to subject and predicate. So what is subject? Here subject tells who or what the sentence is about. Now you know what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a sense. Okay? Subject tells us who and what the sentence is about. The sentence talks about who, or the sentence talks about what. So that is the subject. Okay? Next, predicate. What is predicate? Predicate tells us something more about the subject. So not only subject, it tells about more. Okay, see this. The man stood at the gate. Here, the man is a subject here. Stood at the gate. It tells about more. Okay, it tells something more about the subject. So this is predicate. Okay. And predicate always includes the verb. Okay. See, this is verb here. It includes, predicate includes the verb also. Understood? Next. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. Sea water is not fit for drinking. Sea water is a subject. Is not fit for drinking is a predicate. Betty goes to the library every day. Betty is a subject. Goes to the library every day, predicate. We sing carols during Christmas. We is a subject. Sing carols during Christmas is a predicate. We will visit Amina in the evening. We is a subject. Will visit Amina in the evening is a predicate. Next, we keep our money in the bank. We is a subject. Keep our money in the bank is a predicate. Books are our best friends. Books is a subject. Are our best friends a predicate. They don't play dangerous games. They is a subject. Don't play dangerous games is a predicate. Some plants cure illness. Some plants is a subject. Cure illness is a predicate. At 9 o'clock, she went to bed. She is a subject here. And at 9 o'clock, went to bed is a predicate. Understood? Next. Match the subjects with the predicates to form meaningful sentence. I. You can form anything, okay? What I, this is all my viewpoint, okay? You can opt anything, okay? Anything you can opt, that's okay. All match the following has a different kinds of answers, okay? I know how to climb a tree. Okay. Or you can write anything. Okay. I reached an hour late. Or I gave Srinath a loan. I want to be a doctor. Any option is right. Okay. This is just a sample I'm doing. Okay. My brother has been to Agra. The baby is playing with the teddy bear. She is wearing a beautiful dress. Karan wants to be a doctor. The annual sports day was held on Friday. The scared girl screamed when she saw a spider. The travelers reached an hour late. The bank gave Srinath a loan. Our school is by the stadium. Okay. Next. The subject in a command or request sentences. In command or request sentences, the subject you is often understood and not stated. Example, she shut the door. You shut the door. So in command or request sentences, always subject is hidden. Okay. We oftenly not express the subject. Can you shut the door? We can't say, oh, go and shut the door. Okay. So Tick the sentences where the subject is understood. Okay. The frog is sitting on the lotus leaf. Here the frog is a subject. It is already given. It is not hidden. Okay. But we want the subject is understood means it should be hidden. Okay. So in here, in this context, it is not. The frog is sitting on the lotus leaf. Okay. It's already mentioned the subject, so this is not. Please enjoy your dinner with your family. This is correct. You please enjoy your dinner with your family. Okay. Next, don't speak loudly in the corridor. So subject is hidden here. You don't speak loudly in the corridor. Write the answers correctly. Correct. You write the answers correctly. Okay. One of the boys is absent today. The boys is a subject that's given here. So buy a new pair of spectacles. So here that is correct. You buy a new pair of spectacles. Understood? Next, let us write. Okay. Complete the following sentences. This is absolutely free form. Means you can write anything what is in your mind. Okay. But still I am writing here for as a sample. Okay. There is a modification is here. You can write anything what you feels to do. Okay. Or what you think. I went to the dash. I went to the market. I went to the market. I went to the market yesterday. Okay. Dash every evening. I go to walk every evening. I go to the park every evening. Okay. I watched dash. I watched the sunrise from my window. The little birds making a nest on the tree. The students dashed. The students are playing football in the ground. Understood? This is about subject and predicate. Tomorrow we will see adjectives. Okay? Thank you.